Why, when I sneeze, I tend to sneeze in pairs. I wish I could sneeze right now for you, and it would go ha-choo, ha-choo. I wonder why that is. And I don't just go ha-choo. Instead, the achoo's always seem to come in twos. It's like one sneeze isn't enough. I've gotta have two to make it rough. So I'll be sneezing and I'll just say ha-choo, ha-choo, instead of just achoo. I guess two is really enough. If you like that song, there's another one here. And if you like them all, you can subscribe right here. But if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hand in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!